Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have one of the old JBL Flip 2 wireless Bluetooth speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth or any issues like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of that. Now this is an old speaker, you might want to just buy a new speaker, and if you do, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price that I actually have and like. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete everything off of it, the pairing history and everything, so that you can get a fresh start on it. And we can go ahead and do that. It's really very easy to do. All you need to do is make sure that it is turned on, and then once it's turned on, you're going to find that volume up button and then this call button right here, and press both of those buttons simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. After those three or so seconds have passed, the speaker will turn off, and then it will reboot back into its factory default settings, and from there you can just go ahead and set it up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box.